Let's start with the outcomes, which would give us the desired result. We want one counter of each colour, and we're taking two counters from the back. Now, both of these counters are going to be picked at the same time, according to this, but in fact, you can think about these as two separate events. But we pick one counter, and then we pick another. So if the first counter is green, we want the first counter to be blue. And if the first counter is blue, we want the second counter to be green. And now we can list down the probabilities of these events. So there's 7 green counters and 2 blue counters, and there's 9 in total. So 7 out of 9 of those counters are green. But once we've picked a green counter, there's one less counter. There's only 8 counters now. So the blue counters, that's actually 2 out of 8. The blue counters, to begin with, that's 2 out of 9. And again, because we've already picked a counter, then we're going to have one less counter here. So that one's going to be 7 out of 8. Now in statistics, if you want the probability of 2 events happening, which are mutually exclusive, then you can times them together. So this and this, that's going to give me the probability of getting green and then blue. And I can times these together. And then finally, I can add these together because I want this event or this event. And in statistics, if you want either event to happen, you can add those. So again, I'm just going to write this straight into a single equation. And it's another question involving fractions. If you're not good with fractions, it's definitely worth getting up to speed with these because it is a common skill. Times the numerators, times the denominators. Same with this one. And we get the same number twice. That's convenient. So in total, we're going to get 28 over 72. And again, we don't need to simplify this, so we can just leave this as our answer. If we wanted to, we could draw a tree diagram here. So we can list, we get green, green or blue. If we go down, we're getting blue, so that'd be blue, green, blue, like so. And then we could highlight the ones we're trying to get. So we're trying to get either of those two events, and we could think about it that way.